are looking at health and wellness on a whole new level, the cellular level. A company called ASEA has developed a groundbreaking technology that is able to replicate molecules that are native to the body and are essential to total health and wellness. Why is this important? Because redox signaling molecules are crucial messengers that help protect cells, rejuvenate them, and keep them functioning at optimum levels in the body.
What got me excited about redox signaling technology is when I understood the science behind it.
So when you have a scientific breakthrough as powerful as ASEA's technology, it's incredibly important to have scientific validation for the hundreds of thousands of subjective reports of improvement.
So we've been working with ASEA for several years now, and what we've been most impressed with is that ASEA is very interested in doing properly conducted trials. An example of the type of study that we have done for ASEA is a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled community trial that we did with 106 overweight women. And what we found in this study, that there was a highly significant effect of taking 4 ounces of ASEA on a very important marker called oxidized LDL. Now, when heart disease begins to form in the body, oxidized LDL is a major contributor to the plaque that builds up with heart disease. So this is a risk factor. And if you can keep your oxidized LDL low, your chance of heart disease goes down. And we found that drinking 4 ounces of ASEA for 12 weeks reduced oxidized LDL levels in the blood. It was a highly significant finding. It was not due to chance. We also found that DNA in the body can get oxidized.
The study was designed in collaboration with ASEA and Torrid Labs to look at 60 participants and evaluate genetic changes between folks that were taking ASEA Redox and those that were taking saline as a placebo control. This study was of the highest scientific caliber as it was executed, not only for ASEA, but also utilizing the Torrid Laboratory, which is an expert in genetic testing. What's important and very interesting about this study that's been performed is that the 20 to 31% changes in gene transcription activity in the ASEA Redox group are genes that are attributed to not just structural components of the cell, but they actually touch regulatory, cell signaling, and metabolic pathway activity. 8 weeks later, after stopping taking of the ASEA Redox, the same experimental procedure was performed. And what they found was that the levels in transcription went back to zero, went back to what they were at the study start.
So those molecules, redox signaling molecules, they are created in every single cell in the body. These molecules are critical to sustain life, they're critical to maintain health, and if you're not healthy, they're critical to become healthy.
What we call disease risk factors is a reduction in these types of oxidative stress.
That is, we have an unstable oxidant, a molecule without an electron that's banging around, trying to find an electron, and every time it bangs into a molecule, into a cell membrane, then it causes damage to that cell. All degenerative health conditions are caused by oxidative stress, and in fact 95% of all adult conditions are degenerative. They either have oxidative stress as the cause, or it's a product of the issue itself.
When my athletes can recover day after day at a much higher level, then they're able to perform at a higher level, which produces a more fit athlete. Because the ASEA Redox supplement works at a cellular level, it supports every kind of cell and enhances overall health.
There's a way to deliver active redox signaling molecules directly to the skin. Renew 28. It's a whole body skin therapy that improves skin health at the cellular level. As a dermatologist, I see a lot of new science, but I'm really excited about Renew 28 because it targets the cellular health in a new way that other products haven't. In a separate study using Renew 28 for cellulite, there was a reduction in the appearance of the cellulite by more than 15%. Another research firm, Stevens & Associates, measured the effects of redox signaling on blood flow to the skin and skin cell turnover. Study participants showed a 16% faster skin cell renewal rate and a 55% increase in microcirculation to the skin.
And though you may not have heard of redox signaling before now, it's not a new area of science. What is new is the ability to supplement the body's own redox signaling molecules for overall health that starts in the cells.
We have such a unique product set here at ASEA. These are products that really do make a huge difference in the lives of the people that use them and share them. At the end of the day, it's people that matter most. And ASEA will always be building products that make a difference in people's lives that can be validated with this kind of research.